Hey there! Today we're going to install the Super Kilometer Filter Mileage Blocker on a Toyota RAV4. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos. First, pull the steering wheel. Remove the front dashboard cover, which is held on by clips. Removing the steering wheel cover will make the process much easier. It's also held on by clips. Here you can see all the fasteners. Next, we need to remove 4 screws there. We will use a Phillips screwdriver, but don't forget to visit our website and check our unlocking tools to avoid damaging your car. First screw. Second screw. Third screw. And the fourth screw. Once the screws are out, carefully pull out the cluster and locate the white plug. This is what we need. Disconnect the white plug. Then plug in the device. For our pre-facelift model, activation involves pressing and holding the cancel button for 10 seconds. When the module is activated, the message "driver's door open" will briefly appear, indicating that the kilometers are now stopped at 100%. Deactivating the module will cause the message "passenger door open" to briefly appear, indicating that the kilometers are now being counted at 100%. After installation, it is pivotal to clear all error messages with a universal diagnostic tester. Follow the installation instructions and start the car. You will not have to do anything if there are no error messages. However, if error messages appear, the NP should be unplugged and plugged back in. Afterwards, you can clear all error messages and the device will work without any issues. For this model, the fast remove or long cable option is available. The original plug is used. The speed indicator works well. There's an app control available and the driving assistant is operational. Also, you can easily activate and deactivate the device in motion. Don't forget to subscribe and see you later.